Hi there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use placeholders in multi-message to personalize each message on WhatsApp. Step 1. Prepare your spreadsheet. Step 2. Construct your message. Before we get started, make sure you have a spreadsheet with the names, numbers, and titles you want to include in your message. In my case, I want to notify the acceptance of our newly hired employees, so I have a spreadsheet with their names and titles. Next, you'll need to construct your message. This is where placeholders come in. Instead of typing out each recipient's name and title manually, you can use placeholders that will automatically insert the correct information for each recipient. Hi Nim, I'm pleased to inform you that you have been accepted for the position of title. Congratulations! In this message, name and title are placeholders that will be replaced with the recipient's name and title, respectively. Step 3. Finally, configure your anti-spam settings to avoid getting blocked by WhatsApp. Once you're ready, hit send and your personalized messages will be sent to each recipient. Done! Now let's check the messages we sent.